Hi, I'm Ashton with RAB Audio. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling our ProRak LS840, and in later videos we're going to be covering the expansion products for this desk. Remove the product from the box. Carefully remove the plastic wrap from the unit. Your instruction sheet and hardware pack can be found wrapped onto the unit itself. Find these items before you continue. Lay out all of your pieces. This is your hardware. This product can be bought in two different trim colors, black and almond. You will need 8 3/4 inch black screws, both A2s, C1, 4 rack rails, and a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the rack rails and set the keyboard slides aside for now. Place your rack rails over the pre-drilled holes. Then attach the 3/4 inch screws with racking holes facing the bumper mold. If you choose to use a drill, make sure you set your torque settings low so you do not strip the holes. The rack screw size required for loading gear is 1032 thread. For step 2, you will need 4 cap nuts, 4 1/4 inch conformat screws, both A1s, both A2s, and a 4mm hex key or a hex bit. The ProRak LS840 has a minimum height of 35 inches with a maximum height of 38 inches. I'll set my cap nuts in the middle of each row inside of each A2. Flip A2, secure A1 using the 1/4 inch conformat screws, then do the same on the opposite side. Step 3 requires 10 conformat screws, B1, B2, both finished A2s, and a 4mm hex key or a hex bit. Attach B1 to the inside of A2 with the curve facing downwards. Attach B2 to the inside of A2 with the cable management holes facing B1. You can now stand it upright. For step 4, you will need 3 conformat screws or 3 flathead conformat screws, C1, C3, and a 4mm hex key or hex bit. Line up the 2 farthest holes on C3 to each side, then secure C3 with 2 conformat screws. Line up C1 under the middle hole on C3, then secure it to C3. Do not use the flathead conformats if you have purchased the ProRak LS840 monitor expansion. For step 5, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, keyboard tray slides, C2, and 3/4 inch black screws. Place the keyboard slides over the 4 pre-drilled holes on C2 and secure with 3/4 inch black screws. Continuing step 5, you will need a 4mm hex key, a Phillips screwdriver, C2 with the brackets attached, keyboard tray, conformat screws, and 3/4 inch black screws. Attach the mounting slides with the 3/4 inch black screws to the keyboard tray. Place the keyboard tray with the mounting slides onto the brackets attached to C2. Screw in the silver height adjustment screws in any of the 4 adjustment holes. Slide C2 with keyboard tray attached into the slots. Find the holes in C1 and sides, then screw in conformat screws. This has been an unboxing and assembly of our ProRak LS840. If you have any questions, please contact us at rabaudio.com.